Yeah? Hey! Yeah? Yeah?
Handy Manny's repair shop. You break it, we fix it. This is Manny.
Hola, Manny. This is Mrs. Portillo.
Oh, Mrs. Portillo, what can I do for you?
I'm having a problem with my dryer. Do you think you could come over and look at it?
Sure, we'll be right over.
Alright, I'm putting the camera down. It's down.
That was Mrs. Portillo. Sounds like we have
Bless you. Say your morning, babies. Watching Handy Mandy. Yeah. Yeah.
See, it's me.
You can't get your eyes off the camera, can you? Yeah.
Everything's just fine. Nothing to worry about here. In fact, there's an article in today's newspaper about my candy store. Whoa, that's great. Congratulations. Thanks. I can't wait to read it. Eventually. When I find my glasses. Do you want some help looking for your glasses? Oh, no, thanks, Manny. Just an old pair of glasses. I'll find them. They'll be around somewhere.
That's morning time babies right here.
Bye, Manny.
Isn't it? Morning time babies. Y'all love the morning time. About 4 o'clock, y'all start going downhill. Tell me, it's bedtime. It's bedtime, isn't it? It's bedtime. Yay! Yay!